Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be testing and reviewing something that I actually have on. That's right, I'm going to be reviewing these beautiful Caddis eyeglasses, to which I recently got, and I'm really excited to talk about the whole experience. So let's get right into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and like I said, today I'm going to be testing and reviewing some Caddis eyeglasses. I'm going to go through how I order it, my type of prescription, then I'm going to open up the package that I actually recently got. We're going to try them on and we're going to talk about it. So let's get right into it. So of course, the first step, which I already did, but I'm going to explain to you kind of what I know the whole process was. So I went to caddislife.com and I went to the menu. I went to the prescription side because that's what I'm going to be ordering, and prescription glasses. And the style that I'm going to be ordering today, after going through a very amazing selection of options, I decided that I was going to order the Pinto 72 XR, and this is kind of what it looks like. And one of the things that I really enjoy about this website is the fact that you can actually visually try it on. So you can literally and it's also live too. So it's like literally you can see how that works. And you can try it on the glasses to see how they look. You can take a picture, you can play around with it, and it was actually quite helpful to really try to see which style fit the best for me. All right, after making the decision, of course, I went and ordered it, and I picked the frame. So for me, in this case, I have single vision, and ironically, my life is so amazing sometimes. Ironically, I just got my new prescription literally like a week before I ordered these glasses, so everything kind of worked out perfectly. So I ordered the vision, single vision. They ask you what type of color do you want. So I went with the Texas one, Texas T, that's what it's called. And then lens material. So I believe I went with the high index, which it says thin lenses recommended for stronger prescriptions above 3, -3. Now, my prescription currently it is -3.75 on both eyes. So of course I went for the better option. And then I have a little bit of a tint into my glasses as well. I have the, what is it called again, the blue light filter, which it helps me. I spend a lot of time instead of this computer. I'm technically right now in an iPad, on my phone, and things like that on top of screen. So I'm always looking to minimize as much as I can with that. So I'm really excited to see how that's going to turn out. And then last thing, I submitted my prescription. I just took a picture of it pretty quickly, and then I uploaded here, and I paid, and I submitted my order. Best part is I get an email right away. I think someone may check my order or something like that to confirm the prescription and everything goes well, and I got an email saying hey, we received your order, everything has been verified and everything, and we had the green light, so we are excited to start working on your glasses. And then I got another email saying that my order has been delivered, and mind you, only took I'm gonna have to say literally took a few days, but I'm gonna have to say that maybe a week, literally 4 days, probably less than that. I think I ordered a Tuesday, and it came back the next week on a Monday. It was really quickly. So, and that's where we are now, which I just got my order. So we're going to be opening this. This is what it looks like. I love the fact that almost all of the packaging literally has little quotes throughout. And something I noticed, a lot of the things that I've been reviewing lately, this is becoming a really nice trend, and I actually living for it. So get older, own it, see stuff. Also, another thing about this brand is that they encourage just because you wear glasses and you're older doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be out of touch, or how I like to say, like, it is not fashionable. You can still be fashionable no matter where and the age, you know. All right, so here are the glasses. That comes with a case, which is really nice. Another thing that I forgot to mention, these glasses retail for $370. So yes, it is definitely on the pricier point, but honestly, compared to other like glasses and things like that, I think that's pretty average. My total prescription and everything with with the thin lens, the UV light and everything came out to a total of $430. So let me confirm. Sorry, the frame cost $310 and for a total of $430, and that's how much this glasses retails for. And like I said, I don't think that's too bad. I know a lot of people spend maybe $1,000 getting Ray-Bans and things like that, like Prada or whatever, and they literally like okay, like the styles are cute, but man, we all know people just buy those because of the brand. All right, so this is the case, and I found this quite funny because I literally went to one of their stores over here in New York City by the Village, and I actually purchased myself this case. So now I have two of those cases. So I think this is pretty cool. All right, now let's open up the actual. Oh, okay. Once again, it has a little close. Welcome to the new age. All right. And here are the beauty. Oh, that comes with a little cloth thing to clean them. And here are my new babies. And I want to open this because, first of all, look how cute this is. And also, it's quite big. I like that because usually they give you like, like very, very tiny looking square one. But this is nice. So this is what they look like. Oh. Okay, I saw something that I'm gonna share with you soon. All right, so this is what they look like. Look at it. These are my new glasses. I have to say they're really nice and sturdy. I was a little skeptical because sometimes, like, when you order glasses and things like that, they're like, oh my god, they're so expensive, but then turn out to be just plastic. No, this one's actually nice and sturdy. They are a little bit on the thicker side, so they do feel like it will be nice in my face. So also there's a lot of details, like even over here. Let's see if I can probably like do this like this, and it says slow on this side, and then on the other side it says slower. So it's slow and slower, kind of cool. And you can see actually right on the screen, it does have, well, from this side I can tell like it's blue. Hold on, let me go just a second. Okay, I see. So from the outside, it actually looks like kind of like on the bluish tint. Let me see if I can catch the light. Like it looks a little bit on the bluish. I hope you guys are seeing this. But then from the inside, actually looks like yellow. Well, right now it doesn't look like yellow, but like when I put them on, I can see like it kind of gives a nice, like, it's kind of like a filter. It's a little bit on the yellowish tone, so I guess that neutralized the blue coming in. But wow, I actually look quite nice. Yeah, definitely did a great fit when it comes to this. A great choice. I look so cute. But yeah, like I'm really in love with these glasses right now. They actually feel nice, and ironically, it fits in my face so good. I ordered it online, by the way. I haven't gone to like any specialist or anything like that. And usually when you get frames, like sometimes they have to like twist it or things like that just into your face and things like that. But ironically, like this fit amazingly correct. So I am a little bit like, whoa, what's going on here? Like they feel comfortable. They rest amazing on my face. And mind you, I didn't even pay attention to any of that because sometimes like sunglasses can be a little too long and things like that. I didn't really measure anything. I actually kind of forgot. I just used the virtual fit and I was like, okay, this looks good. Done. And as you can see, I got lucky, I guess, because this is an amazing fit. And I really cannot stop looking at myself there. I actually look kind of cute. Wow, and I really love the color as well. So if you guys can see, like in the inside, it kind of has this really nice olive green. It is called the Texas tea, like I mentioned before. So it is kind of giving that really nice cool like fade. So it's not completely black. As you can see on the side, kind of turns into this nice little golden brownish yellowish like fade. And that's the reason why I end up going with this frame, because I do like my black glasses, but sometimes I don't want them all black, and this was actually a pretty good choice. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I love also, like, it's a mixture of like this little part right here, ironically, is really comfortable. And also they're, I don't want to say they're light, but they're not heavy either. I think they're perfectly weighted for what glasses is supposed to be, because I know sometimes it can be very, very light. I know I have some other affordable glasses and they do feel very light, but these ones I feel sturdy enough, but still light enough, if that makes sense. Like, I can definitely feel the quality on this, and I'm very pleased with that. I'm just literally in love. Actually, the more I'm talking and I'm looking through the glasses, I'm starting to notice like all the small little details, like these little screws here and like things like that. Like, this is actually really cute. And something about this brand, and I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier, is they unisex. So all the styles, they work for both men, women, anything in between. Like, and I just love the diversity and all of that, because to be honest with you, like, how can you like gender this? Like, you know, for me it doesn't make sense. But also, you know, I do wear women's clothes, men's clothes and things like that, but I really enjoy and appreciate the fact that brand is actually doing something like that as well. Wow, I actually really love my new glasses. I am very, very pleased. Also, I also like the fact that I have 2 cases now, so I'm really happy with this. And it came with a little case, like I said, and it comes with a little cloth, and I think it's actually an amazing experience. So thank you, Caddis, for this amazing pair of glasses, and sending me this lovely glasses for free, of course. Really look forward to actually wearing these glasses while I'm working and things like that, because, you know, sometimes my eyes gets really, really like irritated and dry, and I guess because of the blue light and things like that. But I feel like this is already making me feel really comfortable, and it's giving, like I said earlier, this really nice cool filter. I think that's it for this video. I've been going in ranks for a second, but yeah, these glasses are actually, I'm very surprised, I'm very happy with it, and I look cute as well with them too. So thank you so much. If you guys want to check them out, of course, you guys can go to caddislife.com. I will link it right here. Check out their social media as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this beautiful channel of mine where I review products and things like that and just share experiences. So make sure you guys subscribe to that, and make sure you guys follow me on all my social media at Javier Ortiz NY. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.